So there's your bottom sinker, hook, double hook, leading up to your swivel. Fantastic snapper rig that OFA produces. Just your standard snapper rig, but we like the two hooks. Gives you 2 bites at the cherry. And we all like cherries. I use this rig chasing snapper from shore, but obviously you can use this from boat as well. Of course, you can have a couple of different mixed baits with your different hooks. You have a muley and some squid, octopus, strip bait. Going to bring you a few of OFA's custom fishing rigs over the coming weeks, folks. So we've got a the sinker at the bottom. The great thing about the rig done this way, folks, is you've got your clip swivel here. Depending on what fish are biting, you can just quickly have this clip swivel, snap swivel onto your main line, and you can change your rig at ease. If you've got a swivel here, just a normal two-way swivel, with your attachments at each end, you can just quickly change whatever rig you need. This rig's an absolute beauty, and you pick up other species as well, jewfish. Don't need a wire trace for snapper and jewies, just a strong leader. Love making these rigs up, good fun. You can pick up similar rigs at your local tackle store if you want to. If you don't feel like making them yourself, probably cost you $4 or $5 though. So I've just attached the snap swivel on. So as you can see, folks, that just attaches to your main line here. Obviously it's called a snap swivel because it just snaps on. Excuse me, gentlemen and ladies. And that just allows you to change your rig for anything you might need. Really important that you got the right rigs for the species of fish that you're chasing, folks. Sure, you know you've always got a chance of catching anything out there in wherever you are fishing in the water, but it just makes it better, gives you more chance. A lot of research goes into to what fish like best and what sort of food they like best and what environments they live in and what they feed on, and how you match that up onto your hooks is vital, especially what size the fish is. You'll always catch a big fish on a small hook, but you won't always catch very hard to catch a smaller size fish on a larger size hook, folks. So here we are. Sinker. Hook. Hook. Swivel. Snap swivel. Just run this down for you. Snap swivel to your swivel. That snap swivel attaches to your main line, right, folks? To your swivel with the rig. Fairly strong, heavy leader here. One hook, 2 bites of the cherries, because we love cherries, ladies and gentlemen. Down to your sinker. And that's your snapper rig, folks. Get out there and see if you can go and catch yourself some snapper and maybe some jewfish to go with it. By the fact, it's one of the most beautiful eating fish you can collect as well. If you want to eat jewfish or snapper, try this rig, folks.